fire sale mo, babaratin.
Okay.
Okay, sige.
Sige, good. Start na tayo kagad. Hello Philippines, hindi na? O yun pa rin? Oo, kasi part 2 eh. Oo, okay, okay. 1, 2, 3. Hello Philippines! Hello world! Hello universe! Kumusta ang Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao? This is your host, Martin Craig again. At kumusta ka bagong Pilipinas, ang bagong talk show ng bayan. At nandito tayo sa part 2. But before that, let me introduce to you my debonair co-host again, favorite host ng Kumusta Ka, Dr. Conrad Pereras.
Magandang araw po muli sa inyong lahat na nakikinig dito sa palatuntunang ito. Kamusta ka, bagong Pilipinas?
Ayan, I hope lahat ng ating mga ka-OFW, ka-seafarers, at lahat ng mga Filipinos living abroad na dependents ay sana po makinig kayo. Dito sa part 2, pag-usapan pa rin natin how to secure yourself in your aging years or senior years. Alam natin ang seniors na years natin is 60 and above, di
Mhm,
ba, Con?
mhm.
Anyway, so sabi natin, whether we like it or not, to be secured in your aging years, you have to be financially secured.
Sure,
So
yes.
pag-uusapan natin kung ano yung mga checklist natin how to be financially secured. Since economist yung ating expert na co-host, si Doc Conrad, tatanungin natin kung anong ibig sabihin ng itong mga financial security for your senior years. Yung kailangan daw may emergency fund, 3 to 6
Okay.
months. What do you
Mhm.
think?
3 to 6 months, maiksi nga yan because the moment I turned senior, when I was 60, I plan to live for the next 40 years. So dapat yung financial security mo should cover your expected expectancy kung ilang taong kang mabubuhay.
Ah,
And the longer it is, the better. No? Sana
oh,
may pamamana ka pa.
correct. Ito 'yun sa mga don na nagaya mo, sa mga 60 and above na.
Oo.
Pero dun sa mga Gen Z pa lang
Oh,
at saka
emergency fund is kasi by
you never know if you lose your job.
if you lose your job, you should have enough time to find another job. And
Correct,
3 to 6 months is probably
by that
reasonable.
time.
Yeah.
Ang maganda sa Europe, 'pag nawalan ka ng trabaho at
May insurance ka.
kunwari tinanggal ka ng they pay you 9 months,
9 months.
full salary.
Yeah. Long enough for you to find a
Yes.
replacement.
Ang galing 'no, ng mga socialist country.
Mhm.
At tapos yung dapat daw naka-list na yung mga monthly expenses mo para alam mo nga naman
Yeah,
kung paano.
budgeting issue yan eh. Pag tumanda ka na, dapat alam mo na mag-escalate yung cost mo, yung cost of living mo for your medicine, for your entertainment, for your daily needs, no?
Lalo na sa mga Gen Z at young
And then
millennials.
you will have to shift probably yung the kind of food you take, no? You shift towards a healthier lifestyle, starting with exercise, food, and your energy management.
So yung
Um,
checklist niya sa spending, you track your spending, dapat talaga nakasulat 'no?
oh,
Na
yung
o sa rental ito na, may envelope na
yes,
sa
oo.
electricity. So
Mm.
alam mo na lahat ng mga basic.
If you live long enough, alam mo naman yung pattern eh.
Mm,
Kung how much is spent for food, for shelter, for clothing, for
mm.
entertainment,
At tapos yung savings.
and
So paano 'pag wala na? Wala
hindi,
ng span,
kung
stay
wala ka ng
home,
source of income by that time, you have to live off your savings. So kailangan malaki yung savings
savings
mo.
mo.
Oh. Mas hindi lang yung savings mo, kailangan meron kang passive income that will add to your revenue.
Sabi ko sa mga anak ko, "Wala na akong savings, ibigay ko na sa inyo lahat."
Oo.
Sabi ko, "Yung 50 million ko na bahay, bahala na kayo. Yan na yung bayad ng ibibigay niyo sa'kin 'pag nangailangan ako ng emergency
Yes.
funds."
Pay it
So,
forward,
meron naman, 'di ba,
Yes.
ibabalik. At saka pati lahat mga antiques ko kinuha na nila, eh. Sabi ko,
Oo,
"Hoy, yung mga inuwi mo sa Denmark,
oo,
millions, millions yun.
oo,
Kaya 'pag ako humingi ng emergency fund, huwag
oo.
kayong
So
aarte."
part of the preparation is also to make sure that your children are stable, financially secure as well, because they cannot give you what they do not have. So habang bata sila, mag-invest ka sa kanila so that it increases their capability, their capacity to
Correct.
earn,
Through
no?
education and career.
Through education. And siyempre, may mga connection ka, make sure na they have a plan themselves,
Mm.
no? And your contribution to their life is to help them plan for their future as well.
That's why, sa mga magulang importante i-invest niyo yung magandang eskuwelahan at saka magandang mga kurso ng mga anak niyo. Yun
Yes.
talaga lang yung, puwede nating ibigay. Kasi 'pag
Like,
naibigay mo na lahat, they are on their own, dapat maghanap
yeah,
buhay na sila.
like my wife invested in shares in the good hospitals. Dahil alam niya yung daughter namin magpa-practice doon. So kung meron siyang
Ah,
shares doon, di may secure passive income siya habang buhay siya, which will be
ang
turned
galing,
over to our
ah.
daughter. Oh. Kasi some hospitals, you need to buy shares to
Ay,
be able to
ano kaya
practice.
yung binibili ni Zoe na kwan yun, na
Um,
magkakaroon siya ng share sa PGH?
hindi naman private
May
equity
private
ang
part.
hindi, the hospital is not for sale eh. So um,
In case.
ano lang siguro yan for security of
Hmm.
tenure, no? Pero
So
yung meron kang share sa hospital, it is a requirement for you to practice. Yun ang sinecure nung wife ko.
correct.
Oh,
Galing. So eto, yung dapat meron tayong SSS at saka
okay.
GSIS. GSIS if you work for the government. SSS if you work for private companies
Yes.
or private employers.
Unfortunately, that is so small. It cannot support your aging life.
Yeah.
That is the sad story. But SSS, it's better to have something than nothing, di ba?
Correct.
So,
So ano yung automatic monthly saving? Sabi natin pag 20 to 30 years old, 20%. Kung
dapat
hindi mo kaya, subukan mo ng 15.
mm, dapat yung na-save mo nung bata ka will start earning
Dumadami na
for
yun.
you. Oo, pag
Oo.
nandun na, accumulate na, you live on interest. LOI.
Yeah. Pero ang interest mababa, pero mayroong mga placement banking. Can you tell them na ask your bank to put it into a placement banking, mas
Yeah,
malaki ang kita.
normally kasi sa bank, when you ask them to manage your portfolio,
Mm,
i-spread nila yan.
correct.
Meron yung placement na sigurado yung return mo.
Yeah.
Merong portion
Na
na
hindi,
may speculative.
oo,
Uh, Sometimes you make it, sometimes you'll break. And then meron yung nakatabi lang dyan for emergency on call. Like you can put it on your savings deposit or on your time deposit. But the bulk of it should be invested where you can have a more generous return on on your
so
investments,
that's
no?
why kailangan na may kilala kang financial advisor rin who knows about yung mga binebentang mga chips,
Kung
blue
kung
collar chips or yung mga
Kung if you're not at home with that, definitely get a financial
correct.
advisor. Pero kung minsan, mas magaling ka pa doon sa advisor, so ikaw mag-research mismo and secure how your money will be invested.
Kaya mo pag
Uh,
ma-receive ko yung ibang millions ko, tatanungin
uh,
kita.
ang normally na secure investments is real estate.
Yeah,
Real estate hardly depreciates unless
lands.
there's a calamity. You buy land, buy properties, condos, mga ano yan mga secure investments. And if you have a lot of money for those kinds of placements or investments, pumunta ka dyan.
And it has to be, you have to be good. Kasi yung nangyari sa BGC ngayon, ang daming nag-invest ng mga condos dyan, ha. Tapos, napauwi na lahat ng mga nagrerenta, mga pogos. Ang daming ghosted condominiums
Yes,
ngayon.
yes.
So, you have to be careful talaga.
Mhm.
Yung foresight ng mga financial advisors nyo o yung kayo mismo, mga Gen Z at mga young
Tsaka yung
millennials.
tignan nyo muna yung lifestyle ng mga advisors nyo kung mas ina-advise kayo tapos sila they cannot make money themselves.
Oo.
That's a
Hindi,
difficult
nakadrive ng
situation.
Ferrari pero ang pagkain tuyo. O sardinas. So,
Uh,
do I have at least one growth investment? Ano yung index fund and mutual fund?
Mutual funds, like for example, there are insurance companies that have mutualized. Ibig sabihin nun, hindi na dependent sa kung kani-kanino. It will take care of itself. Mas secure yan. Mas secure na investments. Ang importante dyan, pag may edad ka na, you don't invest in speculative investments.
Correct. Lalo
Eh,
na pag 60 years old ka
yes,
na.
kailangan medyo maging sigurista ka na dyan. Uh,
Pero do you agree? Kasi may na-meet akong mga financial ah,
Advisors.
advisors, yung may crypto. Pero what can you say about crypto sa Philippines?
Crypto is an unregulated currency na there are risks. Of course, the higher the risk, the higher the return.
The return.
So historically, ups and downs ang
Mm.
cryptocurrency. So maraming nasunog dyan. Pero marami ding yumaman dyan.
Yeah,
And I don't need to go far. I was involved with a
gambling,
client who was involved in trading
crypto.
cryptocurrency. Yung kinita niya, in-invest niya sa real estate. So kahit na bumagsak yung crypto niya,
Oo,
meron siyang
correct.
assets
Yeah,
that he can depend on, either develop it or live on it or sell it. So there's an advantage. Kailang opportunistic yung cryptocurrency.
yeah. So, yung financial advisor niyo ay kailangan alam mo at saka nakatutok ka dapat. Your
Yes.
heart should be in it. Pero kung nagdedepende ka sa kanila, they will be the one playing and gambling your money.
Yeah.
Hindi na safe para sa mga 60 years old yan.
Yes.
Not unless, kumpare mo na sabi niya, oh sige, kahit ibalik pa yung pera
And
mo,
then
lagay mo na dito.
the thing is, don't trust anyone with your money.
Di ba?
Uh,
So, ang saving is at least 20 to 30%.
of
Pag 20 to 30 years old, siguro nearing ka to 30 years old na towards 40,
mm,
20 to 30%
mm,
dapat a must.
mm,
Tapos pag kwan na daw, pag 40 to 50 ka na is 40%.
mm.
And then pag 60 years old ka na, of course, dapat nasa retirement year ka na, di ba?
These
So yung
are
mga investment mo, may mga passive ka na, dapat meron ka ng
yan
nakukuha.
mga rule of thumb yan. Ako kasi I don't adjust my lifestyle so quickly. Anything that is left is all savings. Doesn't matter whether it's 50%, 80%, or 90%. I can only eat 3 square meals a day. I can only live in one house. I may have a secondary house or resort house, pero I cannot be in all of this all at the same time.
Correct.
So I was listening to Madam Katrina Ponce Enrile the other night, and he was talking about his father. And what struck me was that his father lived a very simple life. He still eats saluyot
Mm-mm.
for his sustenance, and that's why he reached 100, officially 101, but unofficially 103.
Balita ko naka-stem cell daw sila.
Well,
Gaya ng
if,
ginagamit ni Madam Imelda.
yeah, if you have the money, you try to invest on anything
That
that
thing,
can
that
improve your.
make your years longer,
Yes,
but
correct.
healthy,
Correct.
'di ba?
Correct. Yes.
So, nung with your experience, ano yung passive income?
Kami, we invested on real estate. And then we put up a business na we build and sell. Walang stress because it is not our main livelihood. We do it on the side, but it gives us the best return for our money. And then the secret nga that I've been sharing is that huwag ka masyadong mag-adjust to a luxurious life. Even if you have a windfall, you don't buy a Mercedes or you don't buy a house where to live in. Sa amin, yung bahay is an investment. It has to be rented out or it has to be sold to make a profit. So, goes back to being able to save
Correct.
from whatever activity you have, no?
Basta pag may edad na tayo, 50 to 60s na and above, wag na tayo magbigay ng risky.
Ano
Don't
ba yung
invest
passive, ano ba yung
unrisky.
possible passive income? Kung meron kang condominiums, rent them out, di may passive income ka, di ba?
Correct.
Kung meron kang a lot of money in the bank placed, yung returns nun, those are passive income. So you live on those. Don't live on your capital.
O kaya sa mga overseas workers natin at saka seafarers, kunwari gumawa kayo ng mini grocery o sari-sari store muna tapos naging grocery.
Mm.
You know, yung dalawa nating
Oh,
anak, 4
mhm.
na.
Yeah.
Joke. Yung ating
La-
sari-sari store.
Like ako, I'm turning 75,
Mm,
but I'm still very active. I do consulting work.
correct.
And in a way, hindi yun passive income because I engage everything that I have to advise a client. But that keeps me young because my mind is working,
Correct.
and then I keep on moving, so
Yeah.
my physical
Yeah,
well-being,
importante yun.
yeah,
And
uh,
then your brain is working
it's
because you
working.
have to prepare your outline for
And
the
then
talk.
I go to church. I consult my spiritual
Yeah,
advisor.
importante rin
Yung
yun.
spiritual formation ko is taken care
Yeah.
of. So, wala akong hahanapin pa eh.
Kaya shiningly beautiful yung aura mo eh kasi naplano mo yung buhay mo.
Yeah.
I hope that everybody can do that. Not everybody's lucky pero subukan natin.
Yeah.
Saving, save, importante pa
It's
rin.
always better to have a plan than having no plan at all.
Correct, no? Planuhin na natin ang buhay natin through savings at saka investments. Kahit maliliit lang na
Yes.
investment, dadami rin yan. Especially
But
if you start young, ha?
yeah, but sabi ko, the best investment is investing in yourself. Keep on improving yourself.
Yes, totoo yan, right? Ano bang pinag-aralan ko? Medicine. Pero I learned aside from I can produce cosmetic products and ang dami ko ng kalaban ngayon tapos ang mahal to get pharmacies or just to run something to run a cosmetic line is very expensive.
Mhm.
Parang nilalagay ko na yung buhay ko doon not unless there's a big investor. Pero on the side yan, I can always do that. Second is I studied during the pandemic time. Nagkaroon ako ng modern applied psychology,
Mhm.
diplomas, NLP, lahat na, everything about the behavior of human
Yeah.
beings. So I can
Yes.
be a coach at the same time.
Yes.
And it's nice that when I do anchoring, that
You're
what
ab-
I'm saying, I believe in what I say.
Yes, correct.
Because I studied it and I'm
Yes.
telling everyone na coming from a senior like us, believe us, save on your own. Individually, importante, babae ka man or
I
lalaki.
think the advice is the best one to take care of oneself is oneself.
True, di
Yeah.
ba? Kasi pagpunta mo sa langit, mag-isa ka rin lang.
Yeah.
Hindi pwedeng ikaw lang yung mabait, di ba?
Yeah.
So ano yung you should pay all your debts. Debt-free ka dapat.
That is the best situation you can be when you're in your senior years. Why would you stress yourself with worrying about a debt that need to be paid? Settle all your debts as early as you can and be
Mm.
free. You
True.
cannot keep on borrowing money. Kasi, lalo na when you're past 70, hindi ka na pahihiraman ng bangko. So kailangan
Totoo, wala na.
wala ka ng utang. Oh.
Oo, kasi alam nila retired ka na, saan ka kukuha
Yes.
ng pambayad mo?
Yes.
Sabi ko ka nga, gusto ko sanang mag-loan kasi there's a business that I'm eyeing on. Tapos, when they said, income tax, sabi ko, can I just tell you that I get monthly from my mom, from my sister, this much? Sabi, hindi. It has to be your own. So, hindi ka talaga makakapag-loan.
Mhm.
So, importante yan na pag may edad ka na, dapat wala ka ng
Wala ka ng
debts.
utang.
So, wag ka na rin mag-unnecessary loans.
Ano na lang ang pwedeng utang? Utang na loob.
Yeah, pwede. Humihiram ka na lang sa kaibigan na utang na loob.
Oo.
So,
Hindi, ako naman talaga marami akong utang na loob sa iba. Because I am what I am because
of them
a lot of people helped
have
me.
helped you.
Yes.
Kaya pala marami kang kaibigan.
Oo.
Do I live with my means and avoid lifestyle inflation?
Correct. So, inflation is the stealer because your money keep on depreciating because of rising prices. So you have to save faster than the increase in prices so that you're better off.
Yan. Tapos pag 50 to 60 ka, dapat may maganda kang health insurance
Mhm.
na kayang bayaran yung mga dreaded diseases.
Correct.
Ano
oo.
yon? Mga cancer, liver,
Stroke.
strokes, heart
Heart,
diseases,
yeah.
So, yung importante na may critical illness coverage ka, yung
Mm.
insurance nyo na nabili.
Pero ang
Magkano
kailangan,
na ngayon ang insurance na binabayaran ng...
depende kung ano yung coverage. Yung mga senior na tulad namin, hindi na
30,000
nila kino-cover yung medical insurance unless you took your insurance
from the
when you were
beginning.
younger.
Oo.
Yes.
Ngayon
Yes.
meron na. Pero mas mahal na kaunti.
Kasi
So,
may premium mo. Mataas ang premium.
okay, importante na may insurance coverage tayo.
Yes.
So sa family, mag-set ka ng financial boundaries sa mga pamilya mo.
Yes.
What do they mean by that?
Hindi pwedeng kahit sinong pumila dyan sa bahay mo, binibigyan mo. Because when you have relatives all over the place,
Mm.
pag may pangangailangan yan, sinong titingin niya? Ikaw, di ba? Pupuntahan ka nila. You
Totoo.
should be able to say no
Yeah.
when it's not necessary.
At saka 'pag nasa hospital ka, pupunta ba sila para maging alay mo,
Yes,
laalalay mo, 'di
correct.
ba? So, make sure daw na your children have their own savings and income plans.
Yes, yes,
So, turuan din natin yung mga anak natin.
yes, correct.
So, how
And
about
your children learn very fast. They follow and imitate what their parents are doing. That's the best learning. So kung ikaw nag-invest ka sa real estate, start them to buying their own house, buying an extra house for investments. Kailangan merong ganun. Kailangan you should not be worrying for them in the same way that they shouldn't be worrying for you. Both of you are secure.
so it's a family thing.
Yes. So
Tapos
that every Sunday, pag magkita kayo, masaya kayo.
Habang bata sila, 'pag nagdi-dinner
Um,
kayo, i-explain mo, "Si Papa
yes.
minsan 'di tayo makakabili ng mga lahat ng gusto niyo because
Yes.
we have to save in case
Yes.
Daddy lost the work."
Mm,
So, dapat naka-explain po yung mga dreaded o yung mga fears natin na mangyari, na ayaw natin mangyari, might happen. And then the
yes.
kids should understand na we are tightening our belt sometimes,
Yes, correct.
right?
Correct.
So, ano yung
They have to fend
yung
for themselves.
importante na daw yung mga estate matters to discuss it, yung mga
Yes.
wishes mo,
Mhm.
inheritance. Nagawa mo
Uh,
na? Pina-inherit mo
uh,
na?
Dinivide na namin eh.
Good.
Hindi na namin pinangalan sa amin. So,
Good. Para
para,
walang
para,
mag-aaway.
yes.
That's good, no?
But they openly even tell us, Dad, sa akin yung country club share, ha? Ma'am, sa akin yung
Pumayag naman yung
condominium
isa.
mo, ha?
Pumayag naman yung isa.
Yes, yes.
Oh, that's good because at least ngayon buhay ka pa.
Uh,
Kung
to
mag-away man
the
sila,
to the dismay of our financial advisors, no? Because you might end up riding in economy where your son-in-law is on first class.
yeah. So, sabi nila at the age of 55 to 65, shift to safer investments.
Correct.
Wag na kayong magpapadala ha, baka kasi alam nila yung mga may pera, yung mga
Uh,
55 to
pag
65 eh.
pag ang ino-offer sa inyo very lucrative returns, be wary because sometimes it's too good to be true, no? Maraming packages diyan na ino-offer eh. And then all of a sudden you don't find anymore that person you're talking to. Maraming nasunog diyan sa mga kaibigan ko na nag-retire. They know they have huge sums of money and they offer returns that are 2, 3 times than the average. And they ended up with an investment that is gone forever.
Correct.
Uh,
Nako,
and they ended
you
up in the street.
you have to trust them 100% o 200%.
Mm.
So, ayan, pag age na daw tayo, 55 to 65, create a will na. Will testament and assign it to the trusted confidant mo
Yes.
yung mga documents mo.
Yes, you find someone who can help you write your will.
Normally, mga
In other
abogado.
words, ang advice you fix your papers. So ako, I've been fixing my papers for the longest time. I just have not documented what goes to whom. But the substantive portions of our properties are already in the names of our 2 children. No,
Yan.
I already told my daughter that my golf set will go to my grandson.
Ah, wow, maganda yan. So, nakasulat na lahat, nakalista na.
Mas
Mm.
maganda kung nakasulat. Kahit na in your personal handwriting, pwede yan.
Pwede daw eh.
Valid yan.
Tapos ipa-notarize mo lang.
Mm.
Make sure na yung nag-notarize yung abogado. So, in summary, if you agree with me, so the best time is you plan smart at 20 to 30s,
Mhm.
your finances. And then, still, you should be good at 40s to 50, plan smart pa rin, and never too late at any age. Kung
Mm.
ngayon ka lang kasi wala ka nang binabayaran, still save kung meron ka pang pera.
Mhm.
Okay? Build your financial foundation, sabi nila, emergency fund, 3 to
Yes.
6 months, automatic savings, and then budgeting the real lifestyle needs. Ayan,
The way to plan for your medical needs is to get medical coverage.
importante yun yung ating insurance po.
Mm.
So, grow your money wisely. Yung SSS nyo, GSIS nyo, o baka pwede nyong palakihin yun by investments, right? So, meron din daw mga index funds. Tawagin nyo po si Dr. Conrad kung gusto nyong alam kung ano yung mga mutual
Yes.
funds na dapat i-invest ng pera nyo, lalo na pag 60 years old na kayo.
Mm.
Bonds for stability.
Mhm.
Normally, mga bonds, steady yan,
Yeah,
di ba?
yes.
So, avoid scams and then yung mga hype, mga guaranteed double pay, huwag po kayong
Yeah,
maniwala
anything
dyan.
that's too good to be true,
Hindi totoo.
yeah, avoid
Ayan.
this.
So, yung mga passive income na pinag-usapan natin, rentals galing sa mga investment mong lupa o yung mga
Yes.
kasi pati lupa ngayon narerentahan na eh.
Yes,
'Di ba?
correct.
For them to
Yes.
plant, lend them for 30
Mm.
years.
Buy some Rolands in the provinces and
Yes.
plant vegetables for your sustenance or
Okay.
live there yourself.
So,
That-
pwede ka na rin mag-online digital income pag yung mga galing kang influencer, social media. Tapos yung mga dividends mo, alam mo dapat sa mo kukunin. And
Yes.
then manageable, kung kaya mo pang mag-manage ng business like you.
Mhm.
And long-term side hustles. Ayan. Protect your health. Yung HMO natin sa senior, dapat magandang coverage ng ating healthcare plan. Yung
Yes.
critical illness natin, pag tumatanda tayo, maraming nagkakasakit, marami ng sakit na lumalabas. So, lahat ng life insurance, maganda rin yan.
Mm.
Kasi baka hindi ka maburol.
Mm.
Di
No,
ba?
yung
May
life
mga
insurance
ganyan.
is for the beneficiaries would be your children.
Yeah, but then the children should bury me with a nice, in style naman o
Yeah.
kaunting disente,
What they
di
do
ba?
is they bird you.
Yeah, and make sure wala kayong utang. Pay all your credit cards, walang mga loans, avoid unnecessary debts pag may edad na tayo. So, ayan, senior years, importante, medical costs, daily living expenses,
Yes.
reduce yung physical capacity, di
In,
ba,
in other words,
natin.
don't take strenuous exercises anymore because you can hurt yourself.
Correct, yung bones natin.
Like
Hindi
ako,
na pwede yung magja-jogging-jogging ka dyan.
I had
Walk na lang,
I had
brisk walking.
three falls already.
Yeah.
It's a
Less.
good thing that there are no major injuries. No?
Yeah. May merong bagong Japanese walking ngayon. Brisk walking 3 minutes, tapos slow down 3 minutes. Brisk walking 3 minutes. Maganda para sa atin yun.
That's good for the heart.
So, importante may stable sana tayo na income. Kahit grocery man lang, mini grocery, sari-sari store, o bumili ka ng 5 tricycle o may kwanan, di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi may mga overseas workers, tricycle binibili nila eh. May
Mhm.
isa na nga, may 10 ng tricycle.
Yeah. Saka yung
Passive income.
the type of business that you should put up is something that is transferable. Somebody who can manage it for you, but keep something for yourself. Do something that no one else can do. And in my case, the consulting part is what makes me happy.
Correct. So, for mga overseas workers natin at mga seafarers, save 20 to 40% of your income. Prioritize your tax-free guaranteed by the government na investments. Diba?
Yes.
So, and then build 6 to 12 months emergency fund in the
Mhm.
Philippines pag bumalik kayo.
Mhm.
And then avoid sending all income home. Keep personal savings, separate.
Make it for savings.
Kasi maniwala po kayo, hindi naman kayo matutulungan pag nagkasakit na kayo, wala na rin kayong income.
Yes.
Saan kukuha yung mga anak nyo, di ba? So, invest daw smart and not emotional. Tapos, kailangan natin ng, kasi minsan family business, minsan nagkakagulo-gulo
Yes.
yan. So,
Mhm.
borrowing from relatives.
Invest in your emotional connections with your family.
Yeah. Pero minsan yung family business, marami din
Yes,
nagkakaaway-away dyan.
yes, totoo yan.
And then borrowing money from relatives.
Habang wala kayong pera, okay kayo. Pag marami na kayong pera, mag-aaway na kayo.
Tapos yung guaranteed return scams, yung mga scams.
Yes.
You be careful.
Scammers are all over the place nowadays.
O
So
kaya
be
buying
careful.
naman too much property tas wala kang cash.
Mhm.
Di ba?
Diba?
So ayan, yung magkaroon, do you agree with me? Yung remittance rule daw, protect yourself first, mga ka-OFW at ka-seafarers dyan. Save first, invest next, and remit last.
Okay yan.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Importante yan being an economist. Huh? What do you think?
Yeah,
Before sending your money daw.
yeah,
Save kayo muna, invest next, and then rental fast. Dapat trusted nyo yung wife nyo kung siya yung mag-i-invest sa isang
Yes.
bagay kasi hindi nila mabantayan. Okay? And then, ilang minutes pa direct? Sa financial boundaries, discuss monthly allowances very clearly with your family. Avoid sudden big big ask from relative.
Mhm.
Don't shoulder all bills. Teach spouse and children your to have money discipline.
Yeah. When my children were growing up, they keep asking us, Daddy, Mommy, are we rich? And you know the answer, no? It's
Yeah.
always, no, we are not rich. We have enough for all of us.
Okay, so success is not how much you send home, it's how well you prepare to come home in the Philippines with dignity, with good health, and with financial
Yeah.
independence. All right, and if you'd like, okay, so tune in with our talk show because I think hopefully you can learn from our expert and from me as your senior.
Yeah.
So thank you so much again, Philippines, and thank you,
Yes.
my debonair host,
Yeah.
co-host.
The key is to simplify your life.
Correct. So, technical director natin, thank you, si Sir Angelo Duremdes, ang ating teleprompter uli, Joseph Achano, our cameraman na dalawa, si Jomer Esplana, and our other cameraman, Al Jericho Bacuna. And thank you to our program directors, Miss Alicia Avila and Miss Jillian
Jillian.
Pascual. This is your host, Marlene Craig, saying, Mwah!
Goodbye for now.
Bye-bye.
Kamusta ka? Bagong Pilipinas. Kamusta ka? Bagong Pilipinas. Ang talk show para sa OFW. Kwentong totoo para sa inyo. Kamusta ka? Bagong Pilipinas. Kamusta ka? Bagong Pilipinas.
Ayan, thank you so much para sa ating Buwagong Pilipinas studio. Ang ating tech director for today, Angelo Duremdes. Ang ating teleprompter, Joseph Achano. Ang ating guwapong cameraman, Jomer Esplana. And cameraman, Al Jericho Bacuna. And of course, to our program directors, si Miss Alicia Avila and Miss Jillian Pascual. Bye-bye.
Bye. See you later.